Get the clutter in your laundry room cleaned up with a custom design from the Closet Works. With areas that can be built for just about any space or appliance arrangement, your laundry room will be just as stylish as it is useful. Rollouts underneath the sink give you organized and accessible storage for a variety of items, including small appliances like irons, and can even be shaped to fit around existing plumbing. Deep pull-out drawers utilize the entire depth of a cabinet and keep fabric softeners, starches, detergents, and other cleaning supplies accessible to you, but out of the reach of curious pets and children. Just a few inches of space is plenty of room for a vertical drawer to store long-handled tools like dusters, mops, and broom. Even ironing is made quick and easy when you replace a bulky and cumbersome ironing board with this compact folding one. And properly caring for delicate garments is convenient with a hanging rod near your sink and drying racks incorporated into the drawers below for no stretch drying of fine woolens and knits. Options are customized for your storage needs regardless of the space or size. And there are a variety of cabinet styles and decorative hardware to choose from. Let's create a functional space together. Contact us today for a free in-home design consultation.